Hey everybody, I'm Brent Slava. This is Nick Donato. We're joining you from the Benzinga newsroom in downtown Detroit. Today we're going to be talking about a big event that happened yesterday. That's the Sohn Conference taking place in New York City. Sohn is in remembrance, the conference is in remembrance of Sohn, the trader, the Wall Street trader, who died of cancer, and his mom and his colleagues started this foundation to create awareness, raise money for pediatric cancer research. Been going on since about 1995. In the 20 years or so that the foundation has been going on, they've raised about $20 million for cancer research. Really a great cause. And at the conference, they welcome on stage a ton of great hedge fund managers. They're talking about their new investment ideas, etc. And today we wanted to run over a couple of our favorite calls from the conference yesterday. Why don't you tell us about your favorite call at Sohn?
My favorite call was Brad Gerstner of Altimeter Capital with the contrarian call on United Airlines. Bullish.
He's bullish on United.
Bullish
really?
on UAL,
okay.
Especially, obviously general public knows the PR fury that they've been under since the doctor was dragged off the plane, and as well as the rabbit, being killed in the back.
The world's largest rabbit.
Yeah, being killed in storage while it was on United. Obviously, those were huge things. But, he wanted to focus on the business side of it, and he really believes in management. One of the things that he mentioned was that this is the first time that the industry, and especially UAL, has been able to pass off cost to customers, specifically with regards to oil. One of the things that they really highlighted was that the bear case scenario is 135.
Okay.
Bull case is 165. He obviously sees a lot of upside. This trades at a low multiple, due to investors kind of being wary of the sector. So, it's one of the ones that he really wanted to harp on.
Great. So I had two favorite calls, actually. I'm going to step out a little bit here, Nick.
Yeah.
Keith Macer of Corvex, he announced at the conference yesterday that he is long CenturyLink, that's CTL, Charlie Tango Lima. He owns about a 5.5% stake. He set a $34 price target. Shares are trading about $25 right now, so he sees almost $10 of upside there. Also, another notable call, Social Capital, the founder, Chamath Palihapitiya. He said he wants investors to get involved in Tesla's convertible debt, not the equity.
Yes, this is
pretty interesting, right?
That was like the thing everyone was talking about on social. He does this whole bull case for Tesla, not necessarily bull case, but he's really excited about what they do, and then he highlights the convertible bonds. I mean, that's huge.
Great call. Let's see how it plays out. If investors out there are looking to get involved in this kind of action, if you're looking to maybe go to some of these conferences, to trade some of these conferences, you got a couple other conferences you wanted to highlight, right?
Yeah, Delivering Alpha, it's a big one. It happens on September 12th, I believe, 2017, coming up pretty quick. That's a big one, has the same kind of name brand people that are presenting. Also, another one is SALT, which is actually next week, May 17th. Okay. Definitely, that's the second one that you really want to highlight. I mean, those are the three, SALT, Sohn, and Delivering Alpha. Those are the three big ones. And then there's also some smaller ones. Gaining the Edge, it's a smaller, and that doesn't get as much mainstream coverage, but it's coming up on November 2nd, still tickets available. Definitely some ideas there that, worth exploring, I would say.
All right, so Brent Slava and Nick Donato giving investors out there a couple ideas on trading Wall Street conferences. Thanks, have a good one.